If you want golf course living in Sun City Summerlin without inheriting a renovation project, this is the home. It backs up to the 9th hole of Highland Falls and it's been completely renovated. Let me show you. If you're planning a move to Las Vegas, subscribe. I post new Summerlin videos every Tuesday. Most buyers think a golf course home in Sun City Summerlin means an outdated interior they'll have to renovate, so they either overpay or they pour money into it, or they settle for the interior lot. Here's the home that skips all of that. Okay, so this home is going to be 2,170 square feet, 76 square feet. It's on an 8,000 square foot lot. And it, like I said, it does have the golf course as your backyard. The home is going to face east, so the morning sun is going to come up in the front of the house, and then you're going to have the sunset through the back of the house. And then let's go take a look inside. So you have double doors. I love this peephole, and it's at a perfect height. Let me show you on the back side of the door. Literally old school peephole where you can close it and see who's at the door. So when you come in, you're gonna notice that it's been completely renovated. You're gonna have a luxury vinyl flooring, which is gonna be throughout. Off to the left, you're gonna have a formal dining room. So typically in retirement community or homes, you don't have necessarily a formal living room or dining room, but this one has a formal dining room. And then you have this beautiful electric fireplace that gives you great ambiance, and it also actually produces heat, which is great. And then you're gonna have, this is gonna be the great room, so a perfect spot to walk into and be able to be at the center of the whole entire house. I do love that cool ceiling fan that has cool lights. And then it really has a lot of windows, which bring in the natural light, and you can also see the golf course. So you're gonna have a little nook area off of the kitchen where you'll be able to have your breakfast and different things when you're not having a formal meal. And then this really beautiful chef's kitchen. So waterfall edge on the cabinets, and then lots of counter space for the bar stools. All of the kitchen has been completely renovated. I always love when they go all the way to the ceiling with the cabinets. This is gonna be a 5-burner cooktop that is LG, and then it will have the drawers where you could put your pots and pans, upgraded hardware, and then you have a vent that will vent to the outside. And then you have a large stainless steel sink, which has the chopping block. And then again, you're gonna have an LG stainless steel dishwasher with, this is gonna be the microwave. And then you're gonna have the lower for the oven. Cool blue interior of the oven. And then a LG stainless steel refrigerator. You're gonna have some pantry space here, which is gonna have roll out cabinets, which is always great, so you don't have to dig into the back. And then let's go around this way. You're gonna have the laundry room there, and they're doing some repairs, so they have the dishwasher, or not the dishwasher, the washer and dryer out. And then this is gonna be the 2-car bay here, and then it actually has a little side space where you could fit your golf cart. So I would call it a two plus a golf cart, and it has painted floors. You have your AC units and your hot water heater. Really clean. If you wanted space for extra cabinets, you have that. And then to the right, when you first come in, is where you're gonna have the primary bedroom. So the primary bedroom is going to have a bay window, which I really love. It brings in a lot of natural light. Again, the flooring has been run all throughout. All of the rooms have ceiling fans, which is a must in Las Vegas where it gets really hot. I think today it's like 116 degrees. Again, that bay window is gonna get the afternoon sun, so you'll be able to see the sunset. And then it opens up into the bathroom. So the bathroom, I really love look at that cabinetry. It has such cool detail on it, but you're gonna have a double sink. You got your little toilet room. I love when they put a window in the toilet room so you can open the window if you need to. And then a really large walk-in shower. So look at that flooring. You have a little bench if you needed to take a rest. And then you have the the little handheld sprayer. I love that. And then the perfect little solo soaking tub. You could also wash your dog. I feel like that'd be a perfect dog. And look how cool this door is for the closet. And then we'll go into the closet. I'll show you. You have shelving. You're gonna have your drawers. And you walk all the way in. And you have that cool light up there. And then we'll go take a look. Oh, there's also a little cabinet here for your linens. Let's go take a look at the other side of the house. So like I said, this is gonna be a 3-bedroom. Typical retirement communities have 2 bedrooms. So this one has 3. So you have definitely a room for your guests or your grandkids. And then if you wanted to do an office or anything like that, the way they have this set up to the right here is where you're gonna have bedroom number 3, which we could call the office, but it also has a closet and it has some custom built-ins in the closet, which is great. So really easy to call this or make this a bedroom if you needed 3 bedrooms. And again, you're gonna have a ceiling fan in this room. And then on this side is gonna be bedroom number 2. In between, they're gonna share the bathroom. So I'll show you the bathroom in a minute. But again, a perfect size bedroom. You've got the window, little pot shelf up above the closet. And then this is gonna have some additional shelving in it so that you can store a lot of stuff. So if you don't have enough storage in your primary, you can overflow into these 2. And then this is gonna be the bathroom that your guests use as well. It's gonna have double sinks. That's all been renovated. The mirrors, you have some additional cabinets behind that. And then a walk-in shower. So you won't have to step over, and the tile goes all the way to the ceiling. This room here is going to be your great room. So you're gonna have like a formal living room and a great room over here. You choose which one you wanna put your TV at, just depends. But now we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna show you the backyard. So you're gonna have a paver covered patio backyard that overlooks the green. So plenty of space for you to put some chairs, a table, really sit out here and enjoy the golf course view. You have artificial turf for your own turf, which is nice because then it's always perfectly green. And then you have the steps that lead straight out to the golf course where there's actually people out there golfing. This is a full professional renovation. So at about $506 a square foot, you're paying for turnkey, not a project. Compare that to a home you'd buy and then put $80,000 to $120,000 into. Golf course frontage with direct backyard access is a limited piece of inventory in Sun City Summerlin. Interior lot homes trade for less because they can never offer this view. Single story, no steps on one of the community's courses. That combination is exactly what my out-of-state and downsizing buyers asked me for first. If golf course living in Sun City Summerlin is what you're after, grab my free golf buyer's guide. It walks you through the courses, the HOA, and NORA fees, and exactly what to look for in a golf course home out here. The link is in the description. Would you rather have a renovated kitchen or a backyard right on the course? Tell me in the comments. If you want to see more homes like this, I tour Sun City Summerlin and all of Summerlin every Tuesday. I'm Amy Arbelli, and I'll see you on the next one.